Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on the Square application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Square application on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page from where you will be allowed to create a new account or log into your existing one. If you have forgotten your password, click on the sign in button and you will be asked to enter your email address. Just type in your email address and then click on the next button. You can also use a device code by tapping on use a device code. After entering either your email address or your device code and clicking on the next button, you will find the forgot password button. Tap on forgot password and you will once again be asked to enter your email address. Just enter your email address and click on send instructions and you will receive an email from the Square app within the address that you used. Just check your inbox and click on the link within and you will directly be allowed to reset your password. Just type in your desired new password and click on the reset button, and now your password will successfully be reset on your Square account. And from this point on, you can use your new password to log into your Square account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.